Today we have the theme of going in to go out. As long as you're actually trusting yourself and following that deep instinct inside you, that intuition, you're going to end up becoming the person you were truly meant to be and living the life of an extraordinary human. Scan your body. Scan your psyche. Is there any remaining resistance to hearing the voice of love and truth and wisdom that is constantly offering you simple solutions, advice, guidance, which way to turn at any moment? Tap the front of the ribs. It's okay for me to learn how to do this. Tara said, I didn't have a particular decision to weigh today, but I have been feeling disconnected from my intuition. I felt like my intuition was almost personified, and it finally felt able to voice their deep despair at the times I ignored their important guidance. And I feel quietly hopeful I might be able to repair this relationship with my inner knowing. Of course you can. I think you're holding hands already. Think about how long that stress has been there and what else is it attached to. So not only are you resolving this one situation, but everything that situation or these kinds of thoughts have been